Hello guys. Now I will drawing and coloring Peppa Pig with a mermaid body riding a dolphin. Let's start it. First, let's make a dolphin. I draw his smiling mouth and his beautiful eyes. Then, draw the fins. Okay, we have successfully made the dolphin head. Now, let's start drawing Peppa Pig. First, we draw his ears, then his face. We draw his nose. Wow. Peppa is smiling. And we made the eyes. Wow. You see, Peppa Pig is so handsome. Okay, now let's draw the hands. Then we draw the body of the Peppa Pig mermaid. And don't forget, give Peppa Pig clothes so she doesn't get cold. And now I will draw his tail. No forgot, I will also draw the details of the fins. Wow! We have successfully made Peppa Pig with a mermaid body. Now, let's finish drawing the body of a dolphin. Now, I'm drawing the tail and fins of a very beautiful dolphin. And we will also draw the details of the water under the dolphin. We have successfully created a picture of Peppa Pig with a mermaid body riding a dolphin. Now let's color it. For Peppa Pig's face and his body, I will color it with pink color. And for the mermaid's tail, I will color it with orange color. For the dolphin, we will color it with green color. Don't forget to color Peppa Pig's clothes, and here we will color the part red color. Thank you very much for watching the Super Easy Drawings YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you in next time.